So today's video is all about the 2 cups method.
Go.
First we are going to make a hole in the first cup. We can use drill or knife, but here we are using drill. Then in the second cup we are going to put 1 stone. Again, on the first cup we are going to fill a good potting soil. Our potting soil is a combination of a good potting soil and the vermiculite and the perlite. That makes the potting soil really good for the plant. Just get enough, and then we are going to make 5 to 7 seeds in here. Just put the seeds on the top, and then we are going to put again another potting soil on the top to cover the seeds. Then we are going to put the first cup inside the second cup and then water it. So as you noticed here, the excess water will goes down, and that's why the stone head there is to give space so that the water will not go back. So after several weeks, this is what happened. Thanks for watching.